In this video, I show you how to open a frozen door and then show you some preventative maintenance to keep your door from freezing shut again. And these tips are also useful with your vehicle. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. If this is your first time here and you like learning how to do things yourself around the house and workshop, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm using a heat gun to thaw out the door, but you could also use a hair dryer. The night before I made this video, there was heavy rain and high winds, followed by a temperature drop to minus 15 degrees Celsius. The wind blew the rain in just the right direction to push the rain underneath my door. The temperature dropped rapidly and my door became frozen shut. After you get the door open, melt the ice on the door threshold, wipe it dry. Also wipe the bottom of the door to remove any bits of ice or dirt. To prevent your door from freezing again, coat the door gaskets with a silicone lubricant. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below of the product that I'm using. However, this is not a sponsored video. It just happens to be a product that I use. Any other brand silicone spray should do the job. Make sure you get the door gaskets all the way around the door, as well as the sweep on the bottom. I sprayed the threshold with a little extra silicone spray, as that was the problem area for me. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.